Hi, and welcome to the Empowered Being Show. I am Seher. Thank you so much for pushing play today. And this is your reading, Taurus. So, let's get started. So, I have a few cards pulled out, and then I'll pull more cards as we're going. But okay, Taurus. As I was pulling these cards, I could literally feel like there are two people who really need to hear this. So here we go. So, first of all, listen to your intuition before taking any sort of action. Like, you are so good at taking action, you're so stubborn, and it's amazing. It's absolutely amazing. The strength that you have, like, we also have the strength card. It's amazing the strength that you have, but don't be stubborn about the wrong things. Don't be stubborn about the wrong things. There's no use to that. Like, listen to your intuition and then take action towards your future. So okay, I just connected a lot of dots here. So listen to your intuition before taking any action. You're way stronger than you think you are. The second thing is, plan out what you want for your future and then start working towards it, one step at a time. Just one step at a time. That's all. That's it. Just one step after the other, after the other, after the other. And so many times you might feel like extremely overwhelmed because your goals and your desires and everything feels so far away. But this is your reminder, like, no, don't feel it so far away. It's way closer than you think it is. Like, if you just keep taking the right action, like action in the right alignment and on the right path, you will reach there, and there is absolutely no doubt about it. And that's what the 10 in the 9 of cups is. So okay, so I can I don't know if this is for one person or as a collective. I feel this is as a collective. But there is somebody in your life who is literally like stealing your joy. Maybe you are jealous of them, or it's just not a healthy relationship. Maybe they walked away, maybe you are hurt, and maybe you decided to walk away. Some sort of dynamic is happening here which really almost distracted you, almost just put you off track, is what I can hear. But I want you to know that you have access to all the happiness in the world right now. Like, so cups is related to emotions, and then we also have the high priestess. So we have the 9 and 10 of cups with the high priestess, and she's just telling you that you have access to all the happiness in the world. You don't have to give your happiness away to other people, or just because somebody left, that does not mean they took your happiness or your peace of mind with them. Like, no, you are your own individual being who is responsible for their own emotional health. To take that responsibility, just stand up and take that responsibility and move forward. Go ahead. And yeah, that's what I can hear. Let me pull some oracle cards. Boundaries, exactly. Where do you need to establish better boundaries? There will always be people who are going to enter our life to teach us things, and we cannot be affected by each and every person. We just cannot. It's not healthy. So ask yourself, where can you put boundaries? Where can you yes. And the next card is soul family. Call in your tribe. You don't have to do it alone. Like, we are meant to be with the right people, right? Like the people who make us happy. They are our tribe. Are, in the sense, like, they feel like family to us, and that is what you are supposed to. That those are the people you're supposed to be around. If there are people who are draining you, who are just backbitching or just backstabbing, anything like that, walk away. you don't have to stay in a situation which is toxic to you. And then you have the warrior woman. Have you answered your deepest calling? So take your focus away from people who no longer serve you and put it to yourself, put it back into yourself, and just know that you are the source of your happiness. You are in control of your emotional health, and you're way stronger than you think you are, and you do not have to say yes to everybody. You can have like clear boundaries and allow only the people who feel good to you. And just know that your purpose is like your deepest calling. Like your calling is way more than just the people that you are around. And just know that your like the people in your life matter. Oh my god, they matter so much, but they are not your whole world. There's something extremely different, entirely different, that awaits you. And this is your invitation to just change your path and to walk over there as well. Like, just let the people be and just surrender. Yeah, that's what I feel. Complete with this reading. I hope this helped you and I hope this served you. Let me know if this resonated on Instagram. DM it to me. If you want to book a private one-on-one session with me, where I just connect deep to your energy and do a reading for you, text us on Instagram and I would love to connect and read for you. And you can book your session from there. You'll get all the details there. And if there's any other Taurus in your life that you think needs to hear this, please make sure to send it to them, or the other zodiac signs. I hope the purpose of it is to help and everything. So support you through this guidance. Yes, so I hope this helped you and I hope this served you, and I hope to talk to you again very soon. Bye.